Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream using a blender. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold. This is crucial for proper whipping. Also, chill your blender pitcher and whisk attachment in the freezer for about 15 minutes. You will also need a sweetener, like powdered sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor of your homemade whipped cream. Now, let's get blending. Carefully pour 1 cup of your very cold heavy cream into the chilled blender pitcher. Next, add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Secure the lid and blend on a medium-high speed. You will notice the cream starting to thicken after about 30 seconds of blending. The key to perfect whipped cream is achieving the right consistency. Continue blending, keeping a close eye on the cream. You want it to form soft, fluffy peaks that hold their shape when you lift the whisk. Be careful not to overblend, as this can quickly turn your beautiful whipped cream into butter. Stop blending as soon as it reaches your desired stiffness. Your delicious homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. For the best taste and texture, serve it immediately with your favorite desserts. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 days. If it separates slightly, a gentle re-whisk will bring it back to life before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.